Testing one, two, three. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtar Kiani, and as usual, today we have the technical session number 173. Our subject is coupling used in the rebar overlapping instead of overlapping. Alternatively, the coupling used, and our channel reference is Material Engineer Official in the YouTube, where it is located on the YouTube studio. And also the 173 videos are on board with the different subjects. So we will discuss about the alternative way of the coupling, where it is the structures are very heavy, and also the performance and the tensile strength and all the testing parameters are very heavy as compared to the normal steel. In the normal steel, the length is 40 feet, or 12 meters. This is the standard size for the production. And where these 40 feet are finished, and when the joint coming, then the coupling is used. So that coupling is more stronger than the as compared to the normal rebars, which are the 40 feet long, and also the performance, and also the transverse length, and all the uh, coming tectonic forces, and all the loads and all the fractions are very, very controlled as compared to the normal rebars. So these are used in the heavy structures, and also used in the plazas and the bridges, and where the critical structures are there, where always load is acted upon uh, in the structures. So the testing and the frequency of test shall be as per the design parameters and the project specification and the technical recommendation whatsoever it is. And the technical recommendation whatsoever it is, the recommendation has to be followed strictly. And the third party supervision, which is acted on the site, is very, very necessary in order to control the all the rebar fractions and the weakness and the lappings, and uh, all the weak areas, either it is uh, safely purposed or in the strong design parameters. So, in principle, the reinforced concrete designs or the construction particle has a historically focused on the use of the lap spacing, where the transferring of the load between the reinforcing bars into the coupling, the uh, tensile strength in normal coupling is the 80%, and whereas this normal bars are 80%, and the reverse coupling, where it is used splices, it should be 120%, above 120%. So if we compare the uh, elongation and the tensile strength, it is uh, more stronger than the other one and the normal one. The relies on the local bending transfers from the rebar through the surrounding concrete and into the adjacent lapped rebars. However, the lapping of the reinforce is not always the most appropriate splicing method, and there are many situations where the use the mechanical rebars couplers, and also described from the design representative and the convenience from the construction perspective, and the rebars and the coupling systematic. Sometimes the mechanical splices are used as a alternative of the traditional lap splices in the concrete that transmit the rebar's load, and directly from the one rebar to the another rebar are laying on the concrete bond strength and the condition of the surrounding rebars and the couplers. So on the long run and the durability wise, the coupling and the splices are more stronger than the normal rebars, and it is in that case the heavy structures where the overlapping and also the price control and the wastage of the quantity of the steels is very useful instead of the splicing or the wastage are due to the overlapping. The mechanical coupling are more economic and more stronger than the normal atmosphere, normal steel usage, and whatever it is. So, this was the briefing about the mechanical coupling and versus the overlapping. And in next video, we will discuss about the concrete covers in the heavy structure and the normal structure, whatever it is, and what it affect on the durability. So thank you very much and have a nice day. See you in next time.